Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to define a function in the Python programming language. We will be using PyDroid 3. The first step is to use the def keyword, and after that we can specify the names for the function, any variable name, show message, and after that we need to specify the input for the function. For this case we write text, that will be the input, and inside that function we need to specify the instructions to execute. For this case we write print, and inside that we show the content of the local variable text. Now it is time to execute that function. We use that function like any built-in function in the language. Show message, and now we use, for example, hello world, and then press the execution button here. Execute, and the message is shown in the terminal. That is all to create a function in the Python programming language. Bye.